Hi everyone, welcome back again. So here we're gonna cook some eggs. So first we cut some onion up, then we put some oil in the pan. Here we have some onion that's getting cut up, and then we put it into the egg that we already smashed. And now we put some chicken powder. And then we stir it up to make sure the onion is not like stuck together, that it's all out. Keep stirring. And then check if the oil is hot yet by using your hand or testing with a bit of the egg, as you can see here. And then if the oil is hot, just pour it all into the pan. And make sure it's all like spread out. Like that. And then just like spread it all out again. As you can see what we did here. Now try and break it apart so we can flip it over when it's already done on the other side. But if you can see there, it's not quite ready yet, so we have to wait a bit longer. And now we can flip it over, guys, as you can see in the video. And check if the other side is cooked yet. And try to keep it like apart so it can cook. And right now it's already been cooked, so we put it up into the plate. And make sure you get all the onion out as well. Okay, and here's the finished touch. Bye!